Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to make mini to miniature garden tools, guys. This is going to be very interesting. So let's start. First of all, we need a can bottle or any metallic can. We will cut it from the middle, guys. Cut it carefully because it can hurt your hand. We will use the middle part of the can. Then we will give it shape to make our tools. Now my first tool is ready and now we will make the next one. Then guys, all three of my tools are ready. Now we will take a wooden stick and cut it properly. It is cut. Now, then we will take masking tape and roll it on both sides. I did this to give it a more realistic look. Then I shape the can pieces nicely and attach it to the stick, guys. Look how good it looks, just like a real tool. Now, on the tape part, we will color it red. You can also use blue or any color you like. Then, we will stick it using glue and I have attached it. Now, we will attach the second one properly, too. So finally, guys, it is ready. All three tools look so cute and beautiful, guys. They turn out really adorable. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. Bye bye.